Okay, so I have a little razor blade. Just cut off the excess. Okay, and then you should just get your edge. Well, and with this cube, it needs to like be in the sun, so that's why the light is so bright for it to glow. And then you just kind of just slide these in. So if it's kind of helpful to have it loose, your centers, so that these can just slide in really easily. Then you could go back and tighten it at the end. And okay, so you have that. Then you could just drop in corners. Okay, and for this part, you don't have to do it, but just because I'm like a perfectionist, and I want this to be a good cube, I just turn this part, so it's like that, and then I could just take these edges and just push them in with these. And I just was looking at this and I saw that one side is filled and one isn't. I'm going to try to have all the filled sides, like facing each other. Let's see if that has anything. Oh, I shot out a piece. Yeah, and this is normally really easy, but I'm just trying to get it to be like all perfect. So, okay, last one. Alright, so then you just turn it back, and then you have your first two layers, and then, hold on, just rise a little. For this, you could take an edge again, pop it in, and then with this one, take an edge, pop it in, and then that kind of rises up the middle, so then you could just put in your corners, then you take an edge, just pop it in, so corners, edge, just pop it in. So I'm going to tighten up my screws all the way, because with some silicone lube, it'll still go very fast, even while it's all the way tightened. And this is just an option. You don't have to do, but I would suggest it if you're going to try to use a Type-C for speed cubing. And plus it's just nice to have a tight, fast cube, even if it's just for show. Okay, then looks like I didn't screw that center in straight. Okay. So once you have, oh wow, that's way too tight. Okay, well, yeah, I'll just end this video part, but I would say put it about halfway into there, so it's about halfway up, and